So here is Joyhub App, and here you have it. So when you create an account, you just enter your email, receive verification code, and then you can connect all of these devices. So just add these toys like that, and then you also can add friends in here. So this is the idea of the app. Just like, and then you have community, and then you have chats, and then you have your account. So this is kind of going viral on TikTok, and the idea is that you can control these adult toys with the app and with your kind of with the app. And so that's the idea, and there is a whole community of people, and that's what you have in here. So that's what it is. And so here you can also add posts, you can add toys. There are some settings. You can delete your account at any time. There is home, there is community. And that's what it is. I don't know how many users are here, but as you can see, it's in top charts and like top 200 apps in utilities in US. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So there you have it.